Okay, I'm gonna tie now a pheasant tail jig that has got a red spot on the tail that helps moving the fish when they are a bit slow, create a point of interest. So I use a jig hook with a white gape and copper bead head. I start with the thread, stop, secure the bead head, few turns, good. Then I cut a piece of red tinsel, holographic. Fix it all the way through. Okay, now get a few turns. Done. Then we're gonna put the tail, coq de León tail. Gonna take a few fibers. Pair them. I put them here. The length again has to be similar to the length of the hook shank. Fix them. Go back. Now fix the copper. Okay. Get on number 14, I use 5 to 6 fibers. You pair them, you fix them by the point. Trim excess. Okay. I go around with the thread, create the body with the pheasant tail fiber. trim the extra fiber. Now go with the copper. Cut the copper. And now I take, you can add, if you want, a thorax as an optional. Let's do it with some dubbing. I use Hare'e Ice Dub, just a little bunch. It's not mandatory, but I think it makes the fly a little nicer. I twist the thread to have the dubbing better fixed. And then I take one CDC canard feather. I fix it by the tail. Cut it. Then turn a couple of times. And make it. Okay. Trim if you've got some fiber too long. Okay, the usual drop. Where is that? And the fly is ready to go.